In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate previous values in Power BI table and matrix. This tutorial will be a great way to enhance your data analysis and reporting using Power BI, a powerful tool for data transformation and visualization. First, we'll start by opening Power BI. If you're new to Power BI, you'll want to ensure it's properly installed on your computer. Once it's open, you will see a clean and user-friendly interface. Familiarizing yourself with the layout can significantly enhance your efficiency as you work through this guide. Once you are in Power BI, the next step is to prepare your data. It's crucial to ensure that the data you're working with is clean and organized. This means checking for any missing or duplicate entries and correcting them. Additionally, confirm that the data types are correctly set up to ensure accurate calculations such as dates, numbers, or text. Properly structured data is a fundamental step before diving into further visualizations and analytics. Now that your data is prepped and ready, it's time to create the visualization you want. Decide whether a table or matrix will best suit your needs. Power BI offers a variety of visualization options, but for the purpose of calculating previous values, the table or matrix visualizations are often the most effective. Simply click on the visualization pane and select your preferred option. Keep in mind that visualizations in Power BI can be customized, allowing you to adjust the appearance, style, and fields to meet your analytical requirements. The final step is to manipulate the data to accurately represent the parameters you have in mind. This goes beyond just displaying numbers. It involves crafting calculated columns or using DAX formulas to derive previous values, which might represent last month's sales, prior year's data, or any historical figure of interest. You can do this by creating measures that calculate the previous values using functions like previous month or previous day, depending on your specific requirements. Manipulating the data effectively can provide more visibility into trends and patterns over time, giving you deeper insight into your analysis. So there you have it. By following these steps, you are now able to calculate previous values in your Power BI tables and matrices, allowing for detailed and meaningful data interpretations. Ensure you save your work and regularly check for updates in Power BI, as new features and improvements are continuously being added to enhance your data interaction experience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on maximizing your use of Power BI.